help you God. Congratulations, Mr. President.
From Rochester, New York. We drove with my family all night. Oh, it's beautiful. It was more than worth it.
Long before your mom.
I've been a permanent resident in the United States since 1977, and Obama inspired me to become a citizen.
What it does is see you have a dream, and dreams take time to materialize. So this is one of the dreams, this is part of the dream. It still has a long way to go.
Yes, we did! Obama buttons, 2 for 5, 2009 inauguration.
Thank you.
It's been a long time coming, but I know a change done come.
Good morning. Where are you from? Denver, Colorado.
St. Louis, Missouri.
California.
From Syracuse, New York.
Washington, D.C.
Nigeria and the rest of Africa.
Oh, yes, it has.
This is the first time and only time. No other time. It's a joy being here.
Mr. Barack Obama is going into the White House soon, so I hope you have a good day.
Thank you. God bless you. And God bless the United States of America.